In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. If you've ever been worried about losing your edits or spent time looking for a save button that doesn't seem to exist, don't worry. CapCut on PC works a little differently from some other editing programs, and once you understand how it saves your work, the whole process becomes much easier. The first thing to know is the best news. CapCut PC auto-saves your project continuously while you edit. That means every time you make a change, like splitting a clip, adding text, trimming footage, or applying an effect, CapCut saves your progress in real time. So unlike traditional software, you do not need to manually click a save button over and over while working. Your draft is being updated automatically in the background as you go, which helps protect your progress and makes editing much more convenient. Now let's look at where those project files are actually being saved. To check this, click on any empty area of your timeline so that no clips are selected. This is important because it lets the correct project information appear on screen. Then go to the top right panel and look under Details. In that section, you'll be able to see the exact Save to Folder location for your CapCut project drafts. This is useful if you ever want to find your files directly on your computer or confirm which drive they're being stored on. If you decide you want your drafts saved somewhere else, CapCut also gives you the option to change that location. Just click the folder icon and then choose a new folder or drive where you want future project drafts to be stored. This can be especially helpful if your main drive is running low on space or if you prefer keeping video projects organized in a specific location. Finally, when you're finished editing and you want to save the actual video file to your computer, this is where Export comes in. Go to the top right corner and click the bright blue Export button. From there, choose your video title, select the resolution you want, such as 1080p or 4K, pick the destination folder where the finished video should go, and then click Export again. CapCut will render your project into a completed MP4 video file, while still keeping your editable draft safely available on the home screen for future changes. And that's it. Your project draft is auto-saved while you edit. And your final video is saved by exporting it when you're ready. You're all set. Done.